In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get sound on Reddit. If you're watching a video on Reddit and everything looks fine, but you can't hear anything, don't worry. In most cases, the issue is very simple. Reddit videos are often muted by default, especially when you're scrolling through posts quickly. So all you need to do is turn the sound on from the video player itself. To get started, go to Reddit. You can do this in the Reddit app or on the Reddit website, depending on where you're watching videos. Once you're there, open the post that contains the video you want to watch. Let the video start playing so you can clearly see the player controls on the screen. Now, look at the bottom right corner of the video player. You should see a small speaker icon. This icon controls whether the video is muted or unmuted. If there's no sound coming through, tap the speaker icon once to turn the audio on. After you do that, the video should begin playing with sound. If you still don't hear anything right away, give it a second and make sure the video is actually playing. Sometimes people tap the sound icon, but the video itself is paused or hasn't fully loaded yet. You can also make sure your device volume is turned up, since unmuting the Reddit player won't help if your phone, tablet, or computer is set to silent or very low volume. Another helpful tip is to watch closely for the speaker icon's appearance. If it looks muted, tapping it should switch it to the unmuted state. That's usually the visual confirmation that sound has been enabled. On some devices, the controls may briefly disappear while the video is playing. So if you don't see the speaker icon right away, tap the video once to bring the controls back up. That's all there is to it. Go to Reddit, open your video, and tap the speaker icon in the bottom right corner of the video player to turn the sound on. It's a very quick fix. And once you know where that icon is, you'll be able to enable audio in just a second anytime you need it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get sound working on Reddit quickly and easily.